Yeah.
Bye, bitch.
Bye. See ya.
Can't even fucking love your gun.
Right. That's right. Uh-huh.
Loser.
Okay. Anything else? There's nothing you can do to get out of this.
You're a faggot.
Keep going. Do as much.
Suck fucking dick.
I'm so hurt. Yeah. You
Goddamn fucking head.
just stole my truck. You have no way out of it.
I steal your goddamn truck.
You wouldn't be acting this way.
Yeah, I'm acting this way because you automatically assume I'm fucking guilty with everything.
You're the last one with my truck.
Give me the benefit of the doubt.
If you weren't guilty, you'd be apologetic, not
I
shoot.
was from the get-go.
You shot
What
me.
have I done? Gotten fucking accused.
Actually, all this is over one thing. You trying to get an attitude when you were in the wrong.
I tried to get an attitude. I texted you and told you.
I'm talking about when you.
Goddamn pissed and please be patient with me. I begged you to stop.
No one on earth is gonna. No one's gonna shoot someone. No one's gonna shoot someone if they fucking stole it.
I'm gonna shoot you 10 fucking times.
No, you're not.
It's about me getting
You're not gonna do anything but run. There's nothing you can do.
It's real goddamn funny.
There's nothing you can do.